Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Beryl and I will be your instructor. To start off, we'll import the pandas library. So we go ahead and type import pandas as pd. Import pandas as pd. We will also import matplotlib. This will really help or come in handy while doing our graphs. Later on in the tutorials that we will be going through, I will also take you through how to create a graph. So make sure you follow through the tutorials and get to learn a few new things that will help you in your, let's say, data science or whatever course that you're taking. We import numpy as np, then we import whatever. So this would really come in handy when it comes to importing and inputting or outputting. That is, I believe, the IO, meaning inputting and outputting of a given dataset. So we really need it when it comes to getting a data from Google Drive, or rather from your local machine, and downloading a data from Colab to your local machine. So we go ahead and also import cbone as sn. So some of these libraries, I am introducing them so that later on in the tutorial we'll just get familiar with them. So don't worry if something is new, we'll cover it up when it comes to working with all these libraries. So here we have from Google.Colab import drive. Basically what this tries to state, or basically what this is trying to mean, is that from the Google Colab we need to get our drives. So for this case, we will go ahead and make a directory where our drive files will be held in our Google Colab. So just go ahead and just say drive.mount. So we are making directories, so we'll just go ahead and make content as a directory, and also give it a different name. So for our case, we will give it different name as, so yeah, this is okay. So with that, we'll have had a place where our drive will be mounted. So let us run the cell for this drive to be mounted. So just click on this run. So on this place, you're going to import matplotlib as plt. Just make a change on that. I didn't capitalize an I. So a permit will pop up to just ask if you'd want to connect, or rather if you'd allow the connection from the Google Colab to your local machine to run. So just click on connect to Google Drive. Then you'll choose an account. For our case, I'll choose this given account, and click on, let me just expand this. So here there are some things that you're supposed, or rather there are some features that you're supposed to allow for you to get your data from the drive to the Google Colab. And there you have it. So you have mounted your drive into your Google Colab. So just to confirm, we'll go to the files, just see the files that are displayed. So we have our drive G here. We'll just click on it and you'll see our drive, or my drive, mounted to it. So just clicking on it, you'll be able to see the files, or rather the files that are in your drive. So with depending to what files that you will be using, so this will really come in handy. Just to confirm that let me just accept that. Just to confirm that we have our data set, or our data sets can work in our Colab, we'll add a cell and just run the cell. So for our case, I'll be using the data set of the Airbnb. I'll be using the data set Airbnb-nyc-2019.csv. So let me give it a variable name of Airbnb. So we want to read this data set in a CSV format. So we go ahead and type pd.read. So for the case of retrieving, let's say, data, or rather reading a data from the drive, we'll have to copy the path, that is all the directories that makes up or builds up the path when it comes to attaining that data set. So for our case, we'll just go ahead, right click on Airbnb, and we'll go ahead and copy the path. So this will capture all the files, that is including the content, drive G, the my drive, and Airbnb. So just to copy that here, and let's call the Airbnb variable to run, and see the outcome. So there we have it. Our data set is available, so we are able to use it. So feel free to ask a question in the comment section below. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and see you on the next one. Goodbye.